Hey everybody, back again, and today we are going to be making a screwdriver the old-fashioned way. Wood handle, steel shank. We're going to forge the shank part, make it a little fancy, and the wood handle we're about to do on the lathe here, using the lathe tools that I made in the last video. So let's hop to it and get started. So we've got our little handle all roughed out. We're going to have this be the front end of our screwdriver with a little flare at the base to keep the hand from slipping off the handle. It doesn't look quite as pretty as it's going to when I finish it, but this will do for now. We're going to get the actual screwdriver portion forged, and this shouldn't take long at all. Then we're just going to go ahead and throw it together. that shank is square, and then right up at the end it's rounded, and that's going to be our tang where we're going to burn it into the handle. So we've now got it all set up. We're just going to wait for this to cool down a little bit more, and then we'll glue that to the handle, and this project will get finished up. We've got our little flathead screwdriver head all forged out, nice clean shape, nice spiral on the handle there. It's actually a reverse twist, so you'll see the twists going here are actually opposite of what's here. So it kind of plays with your head a little bit when it twists, which I figured for a screwdriver it'd be pretty cool because you're going to spin it a lot, and whichever way you're going it's going to look like it's doing something different. So we're just going to oil this up, and then that'll be the end of the video. We'll be done with this little build. Use some Danish oil and just go ahead and put a bit on there and rub it in. But that does it for today's video. We've got our handle all oiled up, we've got our screwdriver set in there, and yeah, it is all ready to rock and roll. We've got a nice little flathead profile that tapers down. We've got a nice reverse twist on there, which looks pretty cool. And yeah, kind of a honeycomb, honey dipper style handle. My first time ever using a lathe, so it's not going to be the best in the world. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, God bless. Stay sharp out there.